Hey, what's up everybody? Just gonna do some trading here, 21-second timer. And yeah, $40 trades. Here's some past trades we did today. I separate all my trades with just different prices for each session I do. Usually just around 10 minutes or so per session. Just a timer. Show you guys a couple affirmations that I just relay to myself. I'm a highly profitable trader. I am very patient. I gain more than 80%. I understand trading easily. I always know where the market's going. I always select winning entries. Trading gives me energy and joy. Yeah, so hopefully you guys are doing something like that too. Find it helps, keeps you in a positive mindset. So yeah, here we are, just looking for some entries. Just started the timer at 10 minutes. Just being patient, looking for some setups. I love using Canva for the YouTube thumbnails. It has a AI generation button on it. You just type in the image you want to make. So I have a lot of fun posting that up for the YouTube thumbnails. Pretty comical, a lot of them. Doing the Bears versus Bull stuff. Looks like it wants to go up, but I want to bet it going down for some reason. We're gonna throw in a buy here. Or let's wait it out. Let's play like it's real money instead of demo money. Yeah, I think it's going down. It's meant for a sell. Didn't quite get at the top of this block, but oh, looks like we were wrong on this one. Where we were right, okay. That was surprising, honestly. Just barely got it. It's those affirmations, hey? God bless us. Really trying to get this set up so that I can make a career out of this. So I'm trying to get my mindset prepped for going live. So just taking quality stuff, and that one wasn't really quality. More like a dice roll, so I probably shouldn't have taken that one. This one should keep on going. I got in a little bit late, but it's got this really nice length to go down here, lots of just straight clean liquidity, so I think it should just keep on going. Kind of got a little bit of a hang up here, but it did pause for a minute, so should really get in for another sell, I guess. See if it just does a little pump here. could just keep on going up. I'm trying to read it with small candles. I think they're not giving me too much information. Trending up here. Looks like it is going down on the price action. Coming back up, showing some strength. Big green candle. Continuing up, lots of strength here. Let's skip this chart for now. Lots of support right now. Broke a little high here. Showing lots of support. Lingering pretty fast. Could have a strong breakout. Comes down again, we'll probably get in for a buy. Once this kind of straightens out a bit. Have 4 minutes left on the clock. Okay, looks like I got in way too early. Looks like I might even just continue down too. Oh yeah. Looks like that was just a bad call there. Shoot, that's too bad. Totally misread that one. In for a sell here. Didn't get a great position. Hopefully we'll be safe. Okay, we're good. See what else we can find. Next chart. Looking for some nice winning entries. Kind of see here it gapped here after it broke here. Just went straight up, lots of support. Trended up a little bit here on the bottom. Looking like it wants to go down here on the stash. Lots of support. I think it's gonna go up for a buy. Gotta be careful with these loose entries though. Because I could even just waited and got a little more of a pullback here. So I guess I foam in there a little bit, didn't want to miss the trade, but we did get the W. It's good. Let's get a fresh chart, get a fresh mindset. This has got nice shape. I think it's going to continue going down. Timer's up for 10 minutes. So our $40 trade session, we did 4, 5, 6 trades, 5 wins. Nice. It's really good. Really happy with that. 5 out of 6. Oops. No, that's right. Yeah. 6, 5 wins, yeah. Here's our trades today. Had some really good sessions. I think they're all 10-minute sessions. A couple of break evens, a couple just below. Yeah, so thanks for watching, everybody. Bless. See you next time.